Thank you, sir. Honorable Chairperson, Dr. M. Sancheti, Principal of Arya Mahavidyalaya Washim, Chief Guest of the webinar, Dr. R.G. Maske, IQAC Coordinator of Arya Mahavidyalaya, the inaugurator of the webinar series, my intimate friend, Dr. R.P. Mali, sir, Principal of Rajiv Gandhi Mahavidyalaya, Nanded, affiliated to SRTM University, and Dr. R.R. Pachuri, member of organizing committee, Dr. H.B. Vanzari of the Zoology Department, Dr. P.S. Patil, Dr. S.D. Rathod, Dr. G.D. Vadankar, Dr. P.S. Sadar of Microbiology Department, who belongs to the organizing committee. And dear participants, I am very happy to announce this webinar series organized on behalf of Arya Mahavidyalaya Washim. Dear friends, are you listening me? I beg your pardon. So while speaking to other persons, please unmute yourself. Okay. So, shall I continue? I am very much happy to announce this webinar series organized on behalf of Arya Mahavidyalaya. Dear friends, the modern age life science research or contemporary research is more inclined towards interdisciplinary studies. Recent development in the technologies have Pachur madam, please unmute yourself. Thank you. I'm sorry for the interruption. I was telling to you that the modern age of life science research or the contemporary research is more inclined towards interdisciplinary studies. Recent development in the technologies have led to a better understanding of living system, and this has removed the demarcations between various disciplines of life sciences. A new trend in life science incorporates biological research involving a merger of diverse disciplines such as microbiology, biotechnology, molecular biology, biochemistry, ecology, and agriculture. A webinar series on contemporary research trends in life sciences is organized with the objective of providing standard information on recent topics in the fields of botany, microbiology, and zoology, towards the studies ranging from green photosynthesizing plants, wildlife habitats, ecology, to human pathogens, diseases, and disorders. The webinar series on contemporary research trends in life sciences spreads over 3 days from 27th to 29th of July and encompass the topics that will be delivered by various experts. The potential. Pachuri madam, please unmute yourself. The potential of medicinal plant to treat pelvic inflammatory disease in women reproductive age groups. This is the first plenary lecture that will be delivered by Dr. R.R. Pachuri madam. Then the habitat management of the wildlife will be delivered tomorrow by Dr. S.N. Thayde of Science Mahavidyalaya, Shirpur Jail. And the effect of various live fish food organisms on the biochemistry of fish, Katla, by Dr. S.G. Chaba. These are the 3 different varied lectures. The diverse lectures are organized in this first series. So it indicates that we are going to organize a series of lectures. So that will be from the Commerce faculty, from the Faculty of Humanities, and on behalf of Faculty of Science. Here, the Life Sciences. Consolidated. The webinar is intended for the benefit of graduate and postgraduate students, as well as young researchers and scientists. The ever-increasing population has resulted in increasing demand of food, medicine, and other natural products. Researchers are continuously working to resolve and develop a better understanding of life and other biological processes. They need to conserve genes, plants, and ecosystem, and the apprehension of land, water, environment have led to strengthening of traditional disciplines as well as the emergence of diverse disciplines such as stress biology, the molecular biology, biotechnology, agriculture, and human health. Webinar series on contemporary research trends in life sciences imparts the latest development and the state of the art knowledge in the specific field of life sciences. Here, the subject matters is presented in the logical sequence so that it is easily understandable to students and researchers. The recent information on the subject is integrated throughout the plenary lecture series, as I already told you. In addition, this webinar series on contemporary research trends in life sciences provides newer techniques and the use of modern tools in achieving the potential of microbiology, ecology, herbal medicine, biotechnology, stress biology, etc., and the challenges found in the life sciences. A webinar series on contemporary research trends in life science covers a wide range of topics, and the organizing committee anticipate that the content may appeal to a wider range of beneficiaries. Therefore, on behalf of organizing committee and Rajasthan Mahavidyalaya Washim, I, with great pleasure and express most sincere gratitude to all the contributors and research scholars, namely Dr. R. R. Pachuri, Dr. S.N. Tade, Dr. H.G. Chaba. I am particularly thankful to Dr. M.M. Sancheti for his continuous support to organize the said webinar. Thank you very much. Thank you. Dr. Vanzari, I hand over the webinar to Dr. Vanzari. Dr. Vanzari. Dr. Vanzari, unmute yourself. Yes. Shall we continue, Dr. Vanzari?